Hi, this is Hadas from Mike in Canva, and I want to show you magic notes. When you create a presentation, you can ask Canva to create your notes for you based on what the presentation is about and the content that you have in it. So let me show you how. This is a presentation I have taken from Canva's library, and all I have to do is just click on the first slide or the second or the third, doesn't matter. Go down here. My logo is kind of in the way, but you have the notes there. And I'm just going to ask Canva to create the notes for me. Start writing or generate presenter notes quickly. I can go down here, click on generate notes if I'm not going to write them myself. And Canva is going to generate according to what my slide is all about. And look at that. This is exactly what I need to say to my audience. Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving into an important topic, blah, blah, blah. And pause for a moment to let that sink in. I have director's instructions. I love it. It's super easy and useful. I hope that you like this tool because this is a very short tutorial because I think it's kind of intuitive. So I'm just going to show you another slide. I'm going to generate for this one. And look how quickly I get all my notes sorted. And here again, I have pause for engagement. That's it. I hope you liked it. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.